In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch back to your personal account on the Instagram app. So let's go straight to the video. So once you are inside the Instagram app, make sure to click on the bottom right to go on your profile. Then you need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. From here, you need to click on Settings and Privacy. Then you need to go to Instruments and Business Control. Then you need to go on Instruments and Business Control. From here, you need to go on Switch Account Type. And as you can see, you need to click on Switch to Personal Account. Now you need to click on Switch to Personal Account to confirm the decision. If this video has been helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel.